Hello friends, I am Dhiman back with a new video on Dhiman Kamal channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how you can install the iOS 13 WhatsApp in your Android mobile without doing any root. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to take backup your WhatsApp chats. For this, open the WhatsApp. Then go to WhatsApp settings, go to chats, and then select the chat backup option. Here you need to press the backup icon. It will take your backup of your all the chats. After taking backup of your chats, just uninstall your WhatsApp. Now open link from description and download the WhatsApp and theme file. After downloading them, install the WhatsApp APK file, just like me. When installation process is done, open the WhatsApp. Here log in your account. Here just verify your phone number and press continue. Lastly, here enter your name and press next. Now you will redirecting to the WhatsApp home screen. It will show you some changelog option. Close it and go to WhatsApp settings. Then go to your themes option. Then select the load theme option. Now here browse the theme which you have downloaded from description. The theme name is iOS 13.xml. After selecting that theme, you are ready to go. You will get the iOS look and feel in your WhatsApp. If you get the temporary ban message from this WhatsApp, then just what you need to do is uninstall this WhatsApp and go to Play Store, install the official WhatsApp. That's it in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch you guys in my next one.